Hi everyone, and welcome to AutoCAD. My name is Ari, and I'm an AutoCAD professional with Digital Drafting Systems. Today, we're going to learn how to convert polylines into arcs. We can take an existing polyline and select it, and we'll see special grips in the midpoints of each segment of the polyline. These grips can be moused over, and then we have options that will appear in this menu. We can stretch the actual segment, we can add vertexes to the segment, or we can convert it to an arc. Once we click on Convert to Arc, immediately we can move our mouse and create the arc. We can change its angle just by placing it anywhere that we want. We could also specify an exact distance. So for example, if I want my arc's radius to be exactly 10 units, I can type in 10, then I can press the Tab key, and this also allows me to change the angle of the arc. So for example, I could make it go up directly at 90 degrees and then press Enter. Now the arc has been created, and if we wanted to, we could edit this polyline further and see more information about it. We can edit this polyline and potentially straighten out any existing arcs that might be created from our segments. So we can select it, then we can type P-edit, and then press the Enter key. Now we can go to Edit Vertex, and the Straighten option is here. First, we need to choose which vertex we're going to be starting from. So we need to take this X and press the next key right here to go to the next intersection. And now, once we're at the first one, we can click on Straighten. Now it's asking us for the second point, so we're going to click Next one more time. It goes to this intersection. This is perfect. And now when we press Go, the line is straightened back into its original form. So you can create arcs, and you can also undo your arcs by using this really special tool. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial on how to convert polylines into arcs. Once again, my name is Ari, and I'm with Digital Drafting Systems. Hope you have a great rest of your day.